Hi there, and welcome to the Geonix channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we'll walk through how to set up a proxy in the Midori browser. Midori doesn't have a complex traffic routing system, so proxies are connected either through the browser's own settings or via system's network parameters, depending on the version you are using. To configure a proxy, open the Settings menu by clicking the three horizontal lines or the gear icon in the top right corner. In the General section, scroll all the way down until you see Network Settings. At the very bottom, go to the Connection Settings. This will bring up the proxy configuration window. Here, select the Manual Setup option. In the field for the protocol you need, whether HTTP, HTTPS or SOCKS5, enter your proxy's IP address and port number. Below that, you can paste the URL for automatic proxy configuration if you have one, and also add exceptions for addresses that should bypass the proxy as shown in the example. There is also an option to check a box if you don't want authentication requests to appear, and to choose whether or not DNS requests are sent through the proxy. Once all the details are entered, simply confirm by clicking OK, and that's it. Your proxy setup in Midori is complete. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend the reliable and trusted provider geonix.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.